Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Okay, so yesterday we had a very bullish day till a little bit late day when we saw some puts climbing. Everything worked as intended there, even though we did get above our gamma range for a little bit, we got right back into it. As we also got below it for a little bit, and we got right back into it. Worked as intended yesterday. Finished with a pretty big green DEX. It is subjective. I don't know if this is considered an extreme bar yet, but when we see those extreme bars in one direction, sometimes we see a reversal. We'll find out soon enough, but I don't think it's big enough quite yet to be considered that. Moving along to our customer sentiment. Well, it is still bearish. Slid just slightly yesterday, but not a big enough difference to change it much. So we're still in short the pop mode, and we're coming up on a good pop. So maybe we can get just a little bit more up for a juicier short if this short the pop mode hangs. Jumping into our dark pools, 2 to mark on your charts, 589 and 582.2, 23 prints there, which is quite a bit. So keep an eye there. Remember, don't worry about bull bear. Just mark them on your charts as important points of price contention. Largest ag is still up here at 595.54. Well, we got pretty close to it yesterday. We're around 594 pre-market session, just shy. So we'll see how that pans out. Once we hit that largest ag, well, we'll just kind of wait to see what happens after that with the dark pool shifts. Jumping into our levels, well, we're at about 594 pre-market session, right around there, just below. So if we can't get above 594 on the ag, it shows we have room all the way back down to 585. Biggest pull is 595, and then the next one is 582. So on the ag, we really need to get above 594 for some room, but if we cannot, we're coming back down to that 585. Let's check today, 116, and see what it says as we go along. So today, a little bit different, kind of sort of the same. 596, 598, right around there. Small repel levels. Biggest pulls are 591, and then right now the biggest pull is actually 583, but we have this positive gamma cluster we'd have to get through to the downside for anything to happen there. So we'd have to repel all the way downward. So we break 584, pretty simple. We're probably going to see 578 before a bounce. If we cannot break 587, right? Well, then we're going to keep bouncing up towards this range in this 596. That's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.